Don Dada to the line, Don Dada to the line, Don Dada, Don Dada.
Don Dada, welcome to the show.
Hey, thank you, my brother. Hope say this one mic dey work. I no wan hear say. But if I'm not there now, correct.
So how have you been?
Bros, you come here to ask me how I be waiting. Should make una go straight to the point, abeg. I'm a very busy person, bros.
Okay, I will go straight to the question.
Correct.
There are some rumors on the street, but we'd like to confirm from you directly since we heard you said those things. We heard you said there are 3 of you that have been nominated for Grammy Nigeria. We'd like to know the 3 persons you mentioned.
Correct. Now me talk you know lie. And those 3 people, according that you supposed know, say Don Dada number 1. Number 2, na Speedy. And number 3, na Seun Kuti. And inside those 3 of us, one person don't win her. And na Seun Kuti don't win her. You understand? Correct.
Please, who is Speedy?
See this guy, Shao. You don't know Speedy? Child, my see now. Wow. Speedy, now that guy now. It's that guy where they do the reading. If they do the reading, you know, remember?
Oh my God.
Spirituality, correct. Now the guy be that.
Okay, before I ask my next question, we noticed that you removed the coke on your table. Could you please tell us why you removed them? Is it that you have an issue with coke or what?
Bros, me I no get issue with coke. Now then get issue with me, bros. You understand? Now then get issue with me. Like this, me, I be ambassador for Zobo and Bobo Juice Company. I know if on the bridge contract now, you understand? I got to maintain our signing where we do, you understand, ba? So I know feel the drink coke and the drink Zobo. You understand? I be Zobo and Bobo ambassador. Correct.
All this time. Don Dada. Wait. My guys tell me I collect coke for that place.
Which coke be that one now?
No, you drop it for
No,
that.
yes, I be Bobo ambassador. Which I want use coke do, sir?
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada to the line, Don Dada, Don Dada to the line, Don Dada to the line, Don Dada don't carry Grammy, Don Dada don't carry.
My guys tell me I collect coke.
I beg, come on for road.
Okay, wait to see first.
Now wow, that be celebrity.
Why you go collect coke when you drop for that place?
What do I want using a coke do?
Say the coke and Zobo ambassador.
See me see wahala.
Say the coke be this now. See Zobo ambassador.
Now wow. So this small thing I no feel live for person.
Oh my God.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.
See my brother, as you watch that video, you know like you know like oh yeah, click the like button, the thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct that. Don Dada say so.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.